to go over. Lewis and Clark. All right, we're getting ready to go on the float trip. We're going upstream and then coming back down. We're gonna look for a cave we've been told about on the way up. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Yep. Excited?
Yes.
Are you nervous?
No.
Are you nervous? Is
No.
Mama nervous?
Is Mama's nervous?
Mama's a little nervous. Just bring everybody back that you take.
Got to a low water rapids. We got to push the boat. We got a few people behind coming up. We're in the lead, but they're coming. It's a beautiful day on the creek. We'll get up to the still water and we'll get in and paddle again. What do you guys think? Is this fun?
Yeah.
Here they come. Bailing out, we're at another rapids. Ellie, you gotta hold on to your paddle. That could have been bad. A little further upstream, we run into a tree that has crossed the creek, so we're gonna have to drag our canoes around it. Instead of going around, they decided to go over.
Are we gonna go over?
Lewis and Clark and all his helpers. All right, I'm coming, Caleb. Watch out, Daddy.
I'll push it from the back.
Okay. All right, we're going over.
Oh no! Wait. Is it clear?
There we go, boys. Pull it up here on the bank. All right, we found the cave. It's that big hole in the bluff. I hope it's a mine.
No bears.
Oh, no bears. You don't want any bears.
No bears.
I doubt there's any bears in there. Wow. It's big.
What'd you guys name your boat, Caleb? We didn't name it.
We're trying to cross.
Hey,
What?
you got a flashlight after that?
Yeah, we've got some flashlights.
Good, 'cause I need one. I can't cross over.
Massive cave. This is where we were. Kevin's down there. Wow. What do you think, Coop?
Amazing.
Don't get to the edge. Don't get over there close to the edge. Just look from here.
Come on. Sorry, looky. Oh my word.
How you doing, Addie?
Wow. Ah, huge. Oh my. Oh.
What do you think, sis?
Wow.
Is that massive?
Huge.
All right, we've come down in here a little further. The Great Expedition. It's got a creek running down through it. You can hear. Not yet. Look at this water, guys. There's a little stream coming out of the hole there. Sawyer, I don't want you getting in. You got cold in the creek. This is even colder. Whew. It's cold. Is that cold, guys?
That's perfect. Yeah, no.
All right, we got back here. Probably about as far as we can go.
Oh, look, there's daylight. Daddy, he each got life jackets on.
Yeah, there's a pond. Looks like there's a creek up there and it comes down a hole. Comes down to the water. Here everybody comes. Down to the water. Everybody shine your light on him. In the water.
It's like jumping in an icebox.
This way, Cooper. This is easier. A massive cave. 2 miles upstream.
Downstream's gonna be a lot.
On the way back will be a lot easier, won't it, Coop?
Yes, it is.
Was it worth it, Connor?
I'd say so. I think the ride back will make it worth it.
Yeah. All right, we're getting ready to take off and head back. There's our canoes. It should be an easy ride back. The mamas are probably worried about us. We haven't had very good service, and we're longer than expected. All right. right, on our way back. We're going a lot faster than on the way there. Connor's boat's ahead of us.
Yeah, go both sides. Nobody jumping off.
Nope.
Now, let's not. We can
Hey, Addie.
Hi.
Cheese.
About 10 more rapids.
All right, we made it back safely. The whole trip took us, we left at 9 and it is currently 2:30. 5.5 hours.